All right, let's get right into it. Welcome, everyone. Today, I am putting on my professional business coach hat because we're diving into a hands-on explainer workshop. We're going to absolutely break down the 2026 AI YouTube automation blueprint. If you've ever wanted to build a digital asset that works for you 24/7, you are in exactly the right place. So let's roll up our sleeves and transform how you think about online content.
So here is the big question. Are you ready to build your automated digital empire? Because I really want to shift your mindset right out of the gate here. We are completely moving away from the traditional, exhausting grind of being a face-to-camera creator. Instead, we're looking at AI as the ultimate time saver. It's literally a force multiplier for your online business. We're treating this not just as a creative outlet, but as a highly systematic, automated machine. Think of it this way. You are the architect, and AI? Well, AI is your construction crew. Here's our roadmap for this explainer. We'll be hitting 1. Choosing high CPM niches. 2. The AI content workflow. 3. Setup and SEO strategy. 4. Monetization strategies. 5. Scaling with a team. And finally, number 6, your 90-day action plan. Okay, let's jump straight into section 1, choosing high CPM niches. The foundation of any profitable automated channel has to begin before you even generate a single script. It starts with picking the absolute right market. Our focus here is on high CPM. CPM, or cost per mil, basically just means how much advertisers are willing to shell out for every 1,000 views on your content. If you pick a niche with low advertiser demand, you're going to need millions of views just to make a living. But, and this is a big but, if you target niches like finance, technology, AI tools, business, health, motivation, luxury, or facts and education, advertisers pay top dollar. You want to select a niche with strong, evergreen audience demand. That means people will still be frantically searching for this information 5 years from now. Combine that massive payout with evergreen potential, and you have a solid recipe for long-term success. Moving right along to section 2, the AI content workflow. So once you have that highly profitable niche, how do you actually make the content? Well, this right here is your dynamic blueprint. Step 1, you use an AI like ChatGPT to generate ideas, outlines, highly engaging hooks, and the full scripts. You're the director telling the AI to write a compelling narrative. Step 2, you take that exact script and feed it into tools like 11 Labs or Play HT. And let me be clear, these are not those old, clunky, robotic text-to-speech voices from a decade ago. There's no way. These are incredibly natural, emotive AI voices that actually hold listener attention. Step 3, you drop that audio into a creation tool like CapCut, InVideo, or Pictory, where you piece together high-quality stock visuals, animations, and subtitles. The AI helps generate the ideas, creates the voice, and totally speeds up that visual assembly. Let's break down your essential toolkit a bit more. You've got ChatGPT right at the top, absolutely essential for ideation and scripting, and it offers both free and premium tiers. Next up is 11 Labs, which completely dominates the voiceover space. Now, it is a page tool, but it is absolutely worth it for professional-grade audio. Then we have Pictory, which is a fantastic paid option for turning text directly into visuals by automatically matching stock footage to your script. Seriously, it's like magic. Finally, vidIQ. It offers a robust free version and a paid upgrade, making it your best friend for market research and finding those low-competition content gaps. Tying your workflow to these specific tools is exactly how you speed up production while keeping your startup costs remarkably low. All right, on to section 3, setup and SEO strategy. Listen, having great content means absolutely nothing if nobody actually watches it, right? And there is a stark difference in how you apply these tools to actually get seen by the algorithm. On one side, we have AI spam. This is just copy-pasting raw outputs using robotic voices and offering zero originality. The algorithm suppresses this, and viewers will just skip it. If you build this way, your channel is going to struggle for sure. On the other side is responsible AI usage. The absolute crucial point here is that AI is an assistant, not a replacement. You must bring human editing to the table. You have to fact-check those scripts, and you need to find unique angles. Building a long-term asset means you are creating real value for the viewer, using AI simply to execute your creative vision faster. Quality has to remain the ultimate priority. Once you have that high-quality, responsibly created AI content, you optimize the heck out of it. These advanced SEO techniques are exactly how you rank.
You need deep keyword research, using a tool like vidIQ to find the exact phrases your audience is already searching for. You then craft optimized titles and rich descriptions that naturally weave in those keywords. Add strategic tags and hashtags to categorize your content perfectly. And please, whatever you do, do not forget to implement chapters. Chapters not only improve viewer retention by letting people skip to exactly what they want, but they actually help your content rank directly in Google search results. SEO is the bridge between your automated content and your target audience.
Next up, Section 4, Monetization Strategies. Okay, this is where it gets really fun. Most beginners think this whole game is just about the partner program, that single slice of the pie representing ad revenue. But true wealth here comes from diversifying your income streams. Notice the massive slices for affiliate marketing and digital products. If you're in the finance or AI tools niche, you can drop affiliate links in your description on day one and earn high commissions when viewers sign up for software. Actually, scratch that. It gets even better. You can create and sell your very own digital products like online courses or templates. You absolutely do not need millions of views to make a full-time income if you are strategically selling digital products and leveraging affiliate links to a highly targeted audience.
Let's look at Section 5, Scaling with a Team. I want you to really let this sink in. True scaling happens when you transition from being the creator to being the CEO of your content team. This is a major coaching moment for you. Your ultimate goal isn't just to sit there using AI to make content. Your goal is to build a system so incredibly robust that you can remove yourself from the daily technical grind entirely. You want to oversee multiple channels, not just one. Because once your system is profitable, you simply cannot stay in the trenches forever. So how do you actually become that CEO? By outsourcing these key roles. First, you hire a dedicated scriptwriter who specializes in engaging storytelling to elevate your channel way beyond standard AI outputs. Next, while AI voices are fantastic to start, eventually you might want to hire a human voiceover artist to give your brand a completely unique premium feel. Then you bring on a skilled video editor focused on high viewer retention and a specialized thumbnail designer to optimize your click-through rate, or CTR. You can easily find these freelancers on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. When you have a team running this automated assembly line, you are finally running a true, scalable online business.
And finally, Section 6, your 90-day action plan.
We have covered a massive amount of ground today, and this timeline right here is your step-by-step roadmap from absolute zero to your first major goals. Week 1 is all about research, picking that high CPM niche, setting up your branding, and designing an SEO-friendly profile. By week 4, you're deep into batch creation, using your AI workflow to create multiple pieces at once, and establishing a really consistent posting schedule. By week 8, you're analyzing your data, doubling down on SEO optimization, and heavily integrating those lucrative affiliate links. And by week 12, if you stick to this smart work methodology, you are going to reach your first major milestones, whether that's a subscriber target or generating your very first affiliate sales. Consistency is literally your greatest weapon here. So here is my final question for you. What high CPM niche are you going to conquer first with this new automated workflow? Will it be tech, finance, AI? The tools are out there, the blueprint is right in your hands, and the barrier to entry has honestly never been lower thanks to AI. It is time to stop just consuming content and start systematically creating it like a true business CEO. Take that day one action today, do your research, and start building your automated digital asset. And that wraps up our explainer workshop for today. I seriously cannot wait to see what you build.